Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Riverside for AI video repurposing workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Riverside, which is riverside.fm. Press enter to navigate to the Riverside homepage. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign up button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Sign Up button to start the registration process. You will be prompted to choose between signing up with your email or using a social media account. If you choose to sign up with email, fill in your name, email address, and create a strong password. After entering your details, click the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a confirmation message from Riverside. Open the email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. Return to the Riverside homepage to log in with your newly created credentials. Once logged in, explore the various subscription plans available. Select the plan that best fits your needs for AI video repurposing workflows. Click on the Select Plan button corresponding to your chosen subscription. You will be prompted to enter payment details to complete your subscription purchase. Fill in the payment information and review your order before submission. After the subscription is confirmed, you will gain access to Riverside's features tailored for AI video repurposing. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available tools. Once you are comfortable, you can start uploading videos for repurposing. Explore the AI capabilities offered by Riverside to enhance your video content. Begin creating and repurposing your videos efficiently with your new subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.